I'm Wayne Pollock. I'm a thought leadership ghostwriter serving big law and boutique law firm partners. I help these partners build their practice and their prominence one word at a time. Attorneys are always looking to strengthen their client relationships and their referral relationships, especially those attorneys on the business-to-business side of things. I read a lot of content created by lawyers, and one thing I don't see very often is attorneys co-authoring thought leadership content with clients and with referral sources. This is a huge missed opportunity for attorneys to build relationships and strengthen their relationships with their clients and their referral sources. There are a number of benefits to collaborating with clients and or referral sources on thought leadership content. The first is that it builds goodwill with the client or referral source. You are showing the client or referral source that you are thinking about them merely by reaching out to discuss the possibility of publishing a thought leadership article in either a legal industry publication or an industry publication that serves the industry that your client is in. Merely by reaching out, you are building goodwill. You're showing that you are thinking about the person. When you go to the client or the referral source about collaborating on an article concerning an issue that's near and dear to their heart because it's something they deal with on a regular basis, you are again building goodwill because you are showing not only are you thinking about them, but you're thinking about the issues they deal with, the issues they might struggle with, and by collaborating with them on the topic, you are helping bring that issue into the light, and in the course of writing the content, providing a solution or providing a way to think about this problem that they often deal with. You're, of course, building goodwill by promoting them. A lot of these clients or referral sources aren't going to be marketing themselves on their own. Perhaps they're in-house counsel, so they are not going to have to do the normal social media and the normal thought leadership path that many lawyers have to market themselves and build their practices and their prominence. Likewise, your referral sources might not be the kinds of attorneys or non-attorneys to market themselves through thought leadership and other forms. So you are giving them an opportunity to promote themselves by co-authoring the article with you, getting that published. You are giving them a platform that they might not normally have. Another benefit to co-authoring this content is that it gives you an opportunity to remind the client or referral source about the kind of work that you do. They might not realize that you have this aspect of your legal practice that tackles this kind of issue or that you handle client matters in a particular industry because they've always gone to you or sent you cases for one kind of legal issue or one kind of industry. So by collaborating with them on a particular topic, you are able to remind them and show them that you could actually help them with this kind of issue as well, not just the issues and problems they might have been sending you matters regarding. Another benefit to collaborating with a client or referral source on thought leadership content is that the exercise serves as an issue spotting exercise. So imagine going to a client and saying, hey, there's this new regulation on the books for the FDA, or the FTC just put out a new comment, or there was a case that just came down that I think has interesting ramifications for your business. They might not have even known that this was happening, or they might not have given it much thought because they didn't realize the relevance of it. But when you are going to dive into the topic in connection with writing the article, you now are walking them through your thought process, and you have the opportunity to issue spot and perhaps suggest to them, hey, this might be something that you should look at and should consider. It might be worthy of more time and attention. Oh, by the way, I'm the person to help you because I'm the one collaborating with you on the article covering this topic. So there are a number of benefits to collaborating with clients or referral sources on thought leadership content. I want to make clear that if you're going to collaborate with a client or referral source, you should be doing the heavy labor here. You should be the one who is reaching out to them. You should be the one either yourself or in connection with in-house colleagues or an outside ghostwriter. You should be the one who's doing the writing. You should be the one, or in, again, connection with your colleagues or an outside person. You should be liaising with the publication where it'll ultimately be published. You want your client or referral source to have a super easy, frictionless experience. Basically, they should show up to a phone call with you, them, and your ghostwriter or your colleague or whoever else might be involved in writing the article, and they are there to talk. The client or referral source is there to talk for, 15, 20 minutes about the topic. You and them would be discussing it, and then you, your colleague, or your outside ghostwriter takes the first shot at drafting the article and then sending it to you and your client or referral source for revisions, edits, comments, and then working together They produce the final product that is then sent out to the publication either by someone on your team or the outside person. Again, make it frictionless and easy for your client or your referral source to participate. There are other ways to bring in clients and referral sources in thought leadership. You could have them participate with you at a speaking engagement, at a conference, or at a CLE. You could do a webinar together. You could do videos that are made for social media or videos that are made for the website of your firm. You could be doing podcasts. You could be doing any number of possible collaborations. But to me, thought leadership is such a great way to bring a client or referral source in, to build that relationship, strengthen that relationship, provide value to the world while also providing value to the client or referral source. Not many attorneys do this. I don't know why. I wish I had a good reason. I can't figure out why. Maybe they just don't realize that this is a great tactic, but you should think about this and think about the clients and referral sources you might have at your firm and within your practice. That would be great fits for collaboration on thought leadership content. If you're looking for resources on how to create relevant, valuable, and compelling thought leadership content when you actually collaborate with that client or referral source, check out lawfirmeditorialservice.com. We have plenty of videos, blog posts, and podcast episodes that can help you do just that.